Already leaving here, Barangay Binanggaran, so we're gonna pack up all our things here and we're gonna transfer to Barangay Buluan. So there's more caves there to explore. So now we're packing up. So we're gonna transfer barangay going to Barangay Buluan. So many things to pack up. Packing up there. All our things here. We're gonna ride in Carabao. Gonna ride. Come on, for Carabao. 3 Carabao. Okay, karga. Sige, ito na, Blue. Okay. So we're leaving. Barangay Binanggaran. Ready to going to Buluan? Ready?
Yes!
Let's go!
Go!
Tabas! O, anay ko, nanay. Sige, hinay-hinay. Okay. Nakarabaw. Okay.
Salamat, salamat.
Bye-bye. Makadi na kami. Salamat.
Ay, good man. Tuda.
Ah, ano man?
Kulang pasin.
Going now to the crossing. And there's already a motorbike waiting us there. And we go to Barangay Buluan. So our guide Dandy is already waiting there with the motorbike. So damo salamat Barangay Binanggaran. Special to Barangay Captain. So thank you for your assistance. So beautiful there in that area. We see nice natural swimming pool. Okay, gonna cross the bridge. Oh, ligid! Ligid! La.
Sol. Pas en même temps parce que en fait ça a besoin d'être tracé quand même en voyage. Ça c'est on est peut-être 2 mois, 2 mois et demi, 2 mois et demi, 2 mois de travail. Ouais, on était que 11.
Bye bye.
The damage.
Yeah, damage. Hulog, sige.
Di nga bukaan yung tanan. Ini buka agad ito.
Oh, baby Carabao. Nice. Sige, diretso. Masilig ka man.
Oo, bubuk ka kagad.
Arriving now here in the road. Oh, bye. So we're now in the road.
Salamat sa inyo.
Salamat. They arrive now our other things in the Carabao. Yeah, 3 Carabao. Hop. Hop. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna ride now the motorbike again. Going to Buluan. So we're gonna load all the bags there in the motorbike. Okay, dakula na eh. Hey, got. Okay. Yeah. Motorbike is already here. We are already here in the road now. We're gonna put our bags all in the motorbike going to Buluan. So we're gonna unload from the Carabao. Binangaran now, going now to Buluan. So riding the motorbike. Nice. Okay, Dandi, Buluan, Angeria, Binangaran. Ano, Damon Lungib? Okay? Let's explore Buluan.
Ito yung pinaka-champion na Ramon.
Oh, champion. Okay, so we're gonna tie now the bag in the motorbike. Going to Biri.
Filipino diskarte. Filipino kuno ta.
Okay.
Na may tangki. May tangki. Di na lang payag ka.
So we're still waiting for another motorbike going to Biri first and then to Buluan.
Yan pan lang yun na naman. Swimming gate.
Biri. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, nahinay. Oh. Whoa. Nice. We're gonna walk now going to Biri because no more motorbike. Around the crossing, this is going to Barangay Leteron, Tululugayan Falls. Binangaran here. So bye bye Barangay Binangaran. We're right in the road going to Calbiga. But somewhere there, there's a crossing there going to Buluan. So we're still walking because there's no more motorbike. So some bags already in Buluan with the motorbike. We're going to Buluan, so we're gonna ride now the motorbike. How about? Oo, ha? Fine. Oh, bangin siguro. Oh, dili. Oh, abo bangin no. Kay ang iba maglalakat la.
Pakat to Buluan?
Hi. So now we're already here in Biri and we're going now to Barangay Buluan. So ride again the. Ginahin nila. Okay. Bye-bye. See you in Buluan. Hinay. Dandi. Okay, tabas.
Tabas.
To Buluan. There, Barangay Buluan. 30 minutes more. So 30 minutes more, we are at Barangay Buluan. Barangay Buluan. So we're now in Barangay Buluan. Ano, welcome to Barangay Buluan.
Welcome to Barangay Buluan. Oh.
Okay. Yeah, we're here now. So finally arrived. Buluan is now the house we're gonna stay. Yeah, nice. Arrive, Barangay Buluan. Time to take a rest. It's very hot. Buluan now. Resting. Ito Buluan, what can you say? We're here.
Yes, 2009, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
here. Yeah, now.
2004.
Now.
9.
Yeah.
Both,
So now we're back to explore more. Nice. We have our things here. Things here. Okay. You're eating now. Nalingkod. One. Okay. Lunchtime in Buluan. Eating. Now we're in Dundee House in Buluan, relaxing. That's the place we sleep here, the house. So yeah, very nice bed. Good. So this is the place we sleep tonight. Yeah, this is the Dundee daughter place. Yeah, in the village. Buluan. Arranging.
Avec Glenda, c'est lavé ici, elle vient de se laver.
Military camp here in Buluan. So we need to courtesy call at the military camp. Barangay Buluan. Military camp. We're gonna visit here in Buluan. Courtesy call. Okay, hall. Barangay Buluan. Gonna meet barangay captain of Barangay Buluan. Good. We finished the military. Now we're here. Barangay Hall of Barangay Buluan. Damo na salamat barangay captain na atong pag-welcome na atong bisita. Ano yung masisiring?
Salamat liwat.
Okay, sige. Damo salamat na atong mga barangay official at barangay Buluan. Damo na salamat. Sige. Okay, sige. Salamat. Thank you. All our things here. The house of Dundee. So, okay. Many things. Having our dinner here in Barangay Buluan. Dundee house. Napangaon. Nakapay na pangaon.